Hi Modern Sprout family! Thank you for opting to repair your grow light at home. I'm going to be walking you through how to use the at-home repair kit to replace the LEDs in your grow house. This kit can repair Modern Sprout's entire line of lights, including our smart grow houses, grow bars, and grow frames. Please note that in repairing your grow light with this kit, you acknowledge that your warranty coverage will be discontinued. Let's get started. Please feel free to pause or slow down the video should you need any extra time to complete the setup. Step 1. Unbox and make sure you have each provided component, including one power cord with an attached smart switch and LED strips, one Modern Sprout brand nameplate, 4 cable management clips, and a set of instructions. Please note that to complete the repair process, you will need to provide a small Phillips head screwdriver, as a regular screwdriver will not be compatible with the tiny screws. Before we begin, make sure you've gone ahead and downloaded the Modern Sprout app found in your App Store. Next, please make sure to remove all the LEDs from their packaging. We want to make sure no plastic remains on the lights during and after setup. Step 2. Plug in and connect the new LEDs via the Modern Sprout app. Once the connection is established, you can then unplug the LEDs to complete installation. Step 3. Unplug your grow light and set it on a table during the repair. Step 4 is case by case, as you can skip this step if there's no timer box on your specific unit. If your grow light has a timer box, you will no longer need this component, as your grow light will now be wirelessly controlled. To uninstall the timer box, using the small screwdriver, remove the screws by holding the underside of the bolt in place and simultaneously rotating the screwdriver. Repeat this step on the other side. Step 5. Once the plate has been removed, you can now remove the LED strips. Before doing so, make sure to take a photo of the positioning so you remember how the strips were laid out. Gently peel off the old LED strips from your Modern Sprout product. You can use a dull butter knife if the LED strips are not coming off easily. Remove the LED power cord from any cable management clips that are currently on the fixture. Step 6. You may now safely discard of your old LED light system. Step 7. Clean the surface of the fixture with a gentle cleaner like Windex to remove grease and any debris. Let the surface dry completely before continuing. Step 8. For the units with the timer gap, we have provided a logo badge to fill this section of the frame. Reusing the small screws, secure the Modern Sprout nameplate, logo facing up, into place in the frame. Step 9. You can now go ahead and place your new LED strips in the same position as your old one. Without removing the adhesive backing from the LEDs, lay out the new smart strips in the frame as before. Here's where that picture you took earlier comes in handy. Pay special attention to install the new LEDs with the power cord positioned in the same direction as before. Step 10. Double check that your LEDs are positioned correctly. Once the orientation is confirmed, remove the adhesive backing and stick the LEDs to the fixture one at a time. Make sure to firmly press and hold each strip down for 15 seconds to secure. Step 11. Reposition the power cable along the frame utilizing the notch and the existing cable clips. If you need extra cable clips, we have provided 4 for your convenience. Step 12. After you're happy with your cable placement, you may now remount your unit and dispose of old parts responsibly. Please note that when it comes to the landscape grow frame, LEDs will be placed back to back instead of parallel, as pictured here. The LEDs for the grow bar and grow house will both be placed parallel. Your final step is to plug in your grow light, and if you haven't already, set up a light schedule in your app. Happy cultivating!